You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -7. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 2x to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 16 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/10. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -7.